Hello, this is Dr. Fordley bringing you another episode of tips and tricks in immigration medical examination. If you've been following our channel, you see we have a few videos that may be old, and I'm just trying to kind of give you like a quick update. If you're planning to move to another country, chances are that you would need to undergo a medical or like an immigration medical exam. Usually, this is a mandatory requirement for many um, countries. For the U.S., um, you would have to do that if you're converting from one visa class to, say, green card. You will need to do an immigration physical. And sometimes, like when you go from green card to citizenship, you also have to do that. So, in this post, I'm going to be talking about things you need to know about the immigration medical exam, including the process, requirements, cost, and tips for passing the exam. So, the process. Um, the immigration medical exam is usually conducted by a panel physician authorized by the government of the country that you're applying to go to. For the U.S., they call the civil surgeons appointed by the USCIS. The exam would typically include physical exam, blood tests, urine test, and the blood test could uncover the need for chest X-ray. You'd also, and sometimes you may have to undergo additional exams such as mental health evaluation or prolonged treatment for conditions such as tuberculosis if that becomes your reality. Requirements. The requirements for the immigration medical exam would vary depending on the country that you're moving to and the type of immigration application that you're submitting. However, some common requirements would include you completing the required forms and paperwork. For the U.S., you really have to be mindful because of they tend to have a lot of form revisions. So it's always good to verify that the forms that you're filling are the latest on the USCIS website. You need to bring a valid identification and then complete the necessary vaccinations. You also need to provide any previous medical records, and then you complete the medical examination with the appointed physician. Cost. The cost for the immigration medical exam tend to vary depending on the country you're moving to, and also dependent on the physician's fee schedule. Typically, the cost will range between 100 and 500. It's important to note that the cost of any additional tests, such as extended testing for TB or mental health assessment or evaluation, may usually not included in the cost. And sometimes if you're requiring vaccinations, those would not, for the most parts, be not included. But I've seen cases where the mandatory vaccines are automatically included to the cost of the physician, depending on the physician's practice. So tips to passing the exam. I would advise that you get plenty of rest at night before the exam. My motto is if something is really important to you, you need to present your best self. And a lot of times that involves your well rested self. But again, I don't want you stressing over this as the exam itself. It's really like any other office visit, any other medical exam. Really, you need to bring all the required paperwork and identification required. Make sure you complete all the necessary vaccination before the exam. And if not, it's not a deal breaker. Most physicians would have the required vaccinations in the office, or have you directed to where you can get them for less cost or even free. Most of the health centers will do this. Be honest with your physician about your medical history. If you have any medical condition, make sure you bring documentation from your primary care doctor to show that those conditions are under care. Remember, the aim for this exam is to uncover any conditions that may pose a risk to the populace or a burden to the government. So you need to be upfront with these conditions. Trust me, everything, no matter what they say, has a solution and a walk around. Follow the physician's instructions during the exam, and if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask the physician. In conclusion, the immigration medical exam is a critical step in the immigration process. It's important to be prepared and know what to expect during this exam. By following the tips outlined here, I'm sure that you will meet the requirements. You can increase your chances of passing this exam by going prepared and knowing what to expect. Okay? I hope we may providing this information. It helps someone out there. Know that we've been here since 2017 doing this. We would be considered experts in the field of the USCIS immigration process. If you're in the Texas area, give us a call and we'll be happy to serve you. All right, take care.